So here in this video I will be using this photo for this product and this model photo, and we'll be making something cool like this. And I will be using ChatGPT, and then after we'll be using some Photoshop editors and then AI to generate this kind of video. So first of all, this is our two sample images that we are going to use in this video. This is the chocolate bar from the Mr. Beast, and here is the model photo. In that hand we are going to place this chocolate bar. Just drag and drop the both images inside the ChatGPT. So here I told that add the product to the model hand, as the model is holding the product, and we are going to use the 16:9 aspect ratio, and from here select create an image. So on the first try we get this image, but I will be try once again to make it a little better. I have changed the prompt a bit. As you can see, I told that generate the photo as the girl holding the chocolate bar in one hand. Now we get this photo, and I'm going to use this one. This really looks nice. Just download it. Now we will open it inside Photoshop. So inside Photoshop, you can see that the chocolate bar is not the same one that we gave. So we just import the chocolate bar, make the layer to a smart object, then place it as realistic possible on the hand. So as you can see, the generated image chocolate bar is a little bit larger than the original one. So what we will do, we'll just select some part of it from here and we'll be removing it. Okay, now we're just going to enable this layer and then match it with the photo. Now make a selection just for the finger, so we can put the finger on the chocolate bar. Okay, now you can see it's looking really realistic. Now we just giving the final touch to the chocolate bar, because as you can see the color is not matching with the background. So for this we're just going to select this photo, go to filters, and we'll be using neural filters. From here go to harmonize, enable this and select the layer where we're using the background layer. Now you can see this chocolate bar is blend with the background. You can change the strength of the effect. I think this is okay. So this is our final photo. Now we will save and export it. Now to animate this photo to the realistic ad video, we will be using Killing AI 2.1, but I'm not going to use the default Killing AI model because I have another subscription inside FreePic. But if you have access to Killing AI, then you can use that one, or you can just go to freepic.com/AI and you will get here. You have to have a subscription to use the credit. So from here you just need to go to select the model. We'll be using this Kling 2.1. You can also choose this one, but this one is very cheaper, like 300 credit, but this one is like 100 1400 credit. So I'll be using this one, then upload the image that we generated. So just going to upload it. From here select this duration to 10 seconds. Freepik have this latest feature that they'll automatically give you a prompt, but in our case we're not going to use this exact prompt. I will give a new prompt here. So we are going to use this one and then click on generate. So it will take a little time, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes to get the video. So our video is ready. Let's see how it looks. So as you can see, the video is not really 100% perfect, but if you try one or two more times, then it will give you a really good result. And if you want more perfect result, then you can also choose this AI model. So let me try this one and show you how it looks with this model. So our next video have been ready, and let's see how it looks. This is with the better AI. Now you can see the quality of this is really nice. The text and everything keep really quality. So this is the way how you can make this kind of really cool ads for your product by holding any model or anyone you want. You can also use some other setup to animate this kind of videos. So I hope you learned something new, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys on next video.